who am I? I'm Chih-Yang Lin, and I'm the director of CIVIT. That's an abbreviation of my lab's name. And I'm also the professor of Department of Electrical Engineering. And I'm also the chief of Global Affairs Office of Yuan University. And for the research part, I have published more than 150 international papers, and I have more than 1,500 paper citations, and I have more than 10 patents. Okay, so to support my students and my lab facilities, I need to conduct, many projects to get money. So I have conducted more than 15 national research projects and more than 15 industrial projects. So you can see in my lab, we are not focused only on the theoretical knowledge. We also focus on the industrial needs. And currently, I just received a 3-year national research project and 1 industrial project. So at least I don't need to worry about the funding or the money in 3 years. Okay, so I quickly introduce the Yuan University. Yuan University was founded by the Far Eastern Group. And I'm not sure, maybe you don't know what is the Far Eastern Group, right? But that's okay. I think most of the students, the Tata Group in India, right? So the Far Eastern Group is similar to the Tata Group. It's a very big group in Taiwan. It's one of the top 5, I think one of the top 5 big groups in Taiwan. We have more than 200 companies in the world, and we have over 8 industries. And these are some pictures of our university. We have a very beautiful campus. And okay, we have a lot of foreign student activities like the Holi Festival, and I know Diwali is also very important in India. So we also have the Diwali festival in Yuan University. And in this webinar, I believe most of the students here, you would like to spend time here because you would like to study abroad, right? You would like to get a chance to study abroad. And why? Why do you want? I think that's the process of pursuit of your happiness, right? So this is my lab. My lab is computer vision and interactive technology. And we focus on, we focus on computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, and our goal is to find better solutions for both academia and industry. Okay, so let's look at the environment of my lab. If you have chance to come, you will see what will look like in my lab. So we are located at Building 7 in Yuan University. And we have a very huge lab space. And everyone in my lab has the inclusive large table more than 2 meters. Okay, you have double screens and you have powerful computers. So we have a very powerful facilities in my lab. And we support students the unlimited resource. What's the unlimited resource? We provide students sanitizer, spray, mask, tissue, printing paper. And if you are hungry, don't worry, we provide you snack, instant noodles, or if you want to buy books, then go to buy books for free, okay? And then more. We just don't provide beds and bedroom in the lab. You know, how could be have a bed and bedroom in the lab? So we don't have that, okay? And this is a view outside my lab. So if you work very tired, okay, you just need to look at out of the window to see the beautiful scenery. Then all of your fatigue will be, totally relieved. Okay, so that's the environment of my lab. So in the lab, what the students are doing, okay, So as I mentioned, we focus on the machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, this kind of topics, right? So we do a lot about the video surveillance. So what is the video surveillance topics? That include face recognition, detection, object tracking, object detection, moving object detection, people counting, pattern recognition, and so on. So that's we do a lot for a pedestrian detection because that's a very important issue in the video surveillance, right? And we also do the we publish the rain removal because the automatic driving car is a very serious issue now. So we propose the rain removal technique in the last year. And the result, until now, we are still the #1 in the world based on the experimental results. So you can see that the left-hand side is our original image and the right-hand side is the result, okay? After we remove the rain. We also do the image segmentation. And what is image segmentation? It can segment which part is a road, which part is a sidewalk, and which part is a vehicle, and which part is a pedestrian, okay? And we design our proposed method, and we compare with DeepLab V3. And what is the DeepLab V3? It was designed by Google, and our proposed method is better than theirs. And in the segmentation competition, we are the #11th in the world. Okay, and we also design a lot of methods for defect detection and industrial applications such as banana or fruit ripeness or freshness. For mango classification, if you have higher fruit quality, you can have a better price, right? And the symbol detection for visually impaired people in Taiwan. And in this system, we developed a robot eye system to help the visually impaired people to walk on the street outside just as the normal people. So this demo video, maybe we can just see very quickly in 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, so you can see that the guy here has been blinded and he will walk based on our instructions from our system. And we design many different kinds of scenarios that to assure that our system can be robust to many different kinds of cases. Okay. So we also do during the pandemic, we also developed some system to handle this issue. So we can detect the temperature, okay, and we can detect whether the students wear or not wear the mask, or if they wear the mask properly. Okay, we all can do that by the machine learning, the artificial intelligence. And we also can apply the computer vision in the medical applications. Here is an example. The left-hand side is the human spine, but this patient has a scoliosis, this kind of disease. And our goal is to help the doctor perform the surgery. Okay, the doctor will perform the surgery on the patient, and we need to design the 3D surgery guide, the template guide to help the doctor perform the surgery. So it's a 3D application in the medical field. And we also do a lot for defect detection. You know, defect detection is a very big market. It's a very big market. Almost every month, there are some companies come to my lab to discuss how to deal with defect detection. Okay, and the ID or license plate recognition. So what can you do if you have this kind of specialty? If you have this kind of specialty, then you can become a machine learning researcher or engineer. You can become the computer vision or image processing researcher, or you can be the data scientist. And it's very easy to get a job if you have this kind of specialties. So now let's get into the internship program. This is the main point of this of today's program, right? So what's the requirement of the internship? Okay, listen up. So students, you need to have a grade GPA greater than 8.5. Okay, 8.5. And the internship program duration will be 3 to 12 months. Okay, so what can you obtain? You can learn how to do the research with many published papers, internship certificate. Okay, I will give you the internship certificate if you finish all the internship. Okay, and the last part, you can get the recommendation letter. So in the internship program, I will ask 2 of my PhD students to monitor your status. Okay, and we will have a regular meeting every week. And we provide machine for AI training. AI machine is very expensive. But for this kind of program, I share my machine for you. You can remote control the AI machine to do the training. Okay, so you don't need to worry about the machine part. But the last one, if you cannot commit yourself to study hard, for example, you miss the meeting several times, or you don't have any progress in a while, I have the right to terminate the internship. Okay, so how about the last time our internship achievement? In 2020, we have 4 students from India, VIT University. And after the internship, we published 3 papers. And then 2 of students have been admitted to Carnegie Mellon University and 1 to New York University. And now one student is still under my supervision, because it's when they join the internship degree, he's just the 3rd year student, and now he's a 4th year student. So we are also including master or PhD student if you are interested in this kind of program. And for the master student, I just list the scholarship for a master student. Okay, if you would like to ask the PhD student program, you can email me. So for a master student, if you are admitted to my lab, this is only for my student, okay? Not for Yuan University, only to my lab, okay? So the scholarship is guaranteed to have 10,000 Taiwan dollars per month, okay? You are not only to get the tuition free, this kind of condition, you can have the allowance to have more, to have at least 10,000 Taiwan dollars per month. So you can take a photo of this. If you are interested in my research, or if you have any question, you can copy this and contact me, okay, after the meeting. And if you are interested in the Yuan University, you can copy it, okay. And thank you for your listening.